What's going on, folks? I want to make this video to show you where you would look for your fuse at on a Chevy Traverse. It's probably the same for the Buick Enclave as well as the GMC Acadia from probably about the 2009 up to about the 2017, but I put in description. So if your front dash fuse goes out, I mean your cigarette lighter right here stops working, what you want to do basically is check your fuse. Also, if this one goes out, a lot of time the one that's right behind your middle console where your heat and AC controls are at also may not work also. But if that were to go out, what you want to do is pop your hood and go out underneath your hood, and I'm going to show you where that fuse would be at. You would want to check. Alright, so what you want to do is come right here. You just want to take this box right here. You want to push in like that. If you look at this right here, you push it in on these, one here and one there to take this out. Also, when you take off this panel right here that covers up your fuse box, if you look on the back of it right here, you'll pretty much have a legend back here that's telling you like what each fuse is, what it goes to. So that way if you had something else that was blown, like say your horn or something like that, you could look at the back of this panel and you should have a legend that's showing you exactly what each fuse goes to. Also to tell you which fuse in your fuse box is actually a spare fuse. And when you come inside of here, you want to look right here in your fuse box. You see the overall fuse box, how it looks. Your fuses that control your cigarette lighter inside of your vehicle are going to be located right over here. You'll have like a 25, a 20, and a 20. But for your cigarette lighter that's in the front of your vehicle and your front dash, as well as the one that's behind your middle console, this one right here should be it. And instead of trying to pull these out, actually this is what this is right here. This is actually a fuse puller. So what you want to do is just pull this out, take it like that, grab it, and take it out. As you can see with this one is actually blown. I don't know if you can get a close look up on it, how the top of it is broke apart. If you see that broke apart like that, what that tells you is that this fuse is basically blown and you need to go ahead and replace this. It's a 20. In these boxes, a lot of times you may have a few spare fuses somewhere that you may be able to take and replace it in the spot to where it was blown out. And if this was not it, you also can check this one right here too to see if this one's blown. But this one should be the one that's it if your front cigarette lighter is not working, as well as the one that's behind your middle console where your climate control is at pretty much. So alright, once again, this is where you would change your fuse at, just in case for some reason your cigarette lighter is not working in your vehicle. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share it. Thanks.